Hi, my name is Dan Carino, and I'm an Operations Program Manager here at Lockheed Martin, Liverpool, New York. As the lead sponsor of the 2021 Manufacturing Day and Manufacturing Month, Lockheed Martin welcomes you on behalf of the Greater Central New York manufacturing community. This program is intended to increase awareness of careers in manufacturing, and we hope that many of you will consider a career at Lockheed Martin or one of the other companies supporting this event. We hope you enjoy this video of another great manufacturing company in the Greater Central New York region. Thank you.
I picture it like full of dirty people getting into their like outfits, like overalls and a t-shirt, like dark and like there's like a lot of people.
Loud, noisy, destructive, sweaty as well.
This isn't the 1950s anymore, and this is not your grandparents' factory floor. Manufacturing facilities like Marquardt are cleaner, more efficient, and more high-tech than ever. Modern manufacturing facilities follow the highest standards when it comes to environmental, health, and safety laws. Our managers at Marquardt joke, our facility is so clean you could eat off the production floor.
Sometimes they get bored doing the same thing all over again.
I think people will do the same things like over and over again every day and just kind of like are stuck with the same types of jobs.
Manufacturing is on the cutting edge of today's newest technologies and innovations, including robotics, software engineering, and 3D printing, just to name a few. Today, there are more manufacturing jobs available than there are skilled workers to fill them. There's a huge need for workers skilled in mathematics, technology, and with advanced technical training.
I feel like it's a dying industry right now, which really sucks because there's a lot of people that work really hard in what they do, and now that technology is getting so advanced that you just have like robots instead of like having like man-made stuff.
This is not a dying industry. In fact, the opposite is true. The development of new technologies creates the need for new positions. While it is true that robots are changing the way manufacturing works, it doesn't always mean replacing workers. People are still needed to build and maintain the robots, monitor them, and troubleshoot if things go wrong.
Would you want to work in manufacturing?
No, I don't think so. Because I don't know anything about manufacturing.
No, I would not want to work in manufacturing.
Manufacturing sometimes gets a bad rep. However, there is so much room for growth within this industry. While working on an assembly line is one career path you can pursue, there is so much more. From research and design, to product testing, to program management and sales. Many manufacturers, including Marquardt, even offer paid training and apprenticeships.
These aren't just your typical on and off switches.
We have supplied our customers with the interface between a person and a machine.
Marquardt puts a lot of time and energy into the industrial design. It's not just high functionality, it's high style.
They have to work really well, they have to look really good, and they have to have a great feel.
It's all the way from making the molded plastics to the circuit boards to final assembly.
Taking it from a concept to reality.
Marquardt has switches in just about everything you can imagine. Everything from that big off-road equipment to all sorts of vehicles in very familiar brands.
Going down the road, we'll say, hey, we make parts for that car. My kids, they love it.
We see all the fancy cars out there. Did you make that one, Mom? Did you make that one, Mom? Yeah, I very well could have.
Marquardt has always been at the front of trends, working with our customers and knowing what to put out there that the marketplace is looking for next.
We've started transitioning from automotive to defense and medical.
We're engaged in autonomous vehicles, we're engaged with drones. We just continue to accelerate into the future.
The culture is a very family-oriented
trusting culture.
We all want to have fun. We all want to enjoy our jobs, and Marquardt allows that.
Marquardt puts people first, and that's a place I think that people should want to work.
My favorite thing about this place, it's got to be the people.
It's the people.
The people I get to work with.
Definitely working with the people.
It's a fun place to work while you're doing fast-paced, challenging, problem-solving.
My colleagues are awesome. We work hand in hand together on projects. We're side by side through problem solving and brainstorming.
It's a very fast-paced environment, and I think it's a very high-energy environment.
Ultimately, the business revolves around getting good products to our customers. They work at a fast pace, and they expect us to not only keep up, but in some ways go faster than they go. And so we have to hang together.
It's very culturally diverse. You've got people here locally and globally that come from all different kinds of ethnic backgrounds, they have different languages, just bring really different perspectives and viewpoints.
They probably come with different ideas, different viewpoints of looking the same thing in different angles. That boosts the morality in between the people and boosts the teamwork.
Everybody has different ideas, different ways of doing things, so you learn from each other, you grow from each other, and that's really important in business, is to grow.
Think global, act local. I have access to this 12,000 person company with incredible buying power and incredible technology and research and development. But on a small scale, I can interact with my potential customers on a very local, very detailed relationship.
We have vast resources. Across our companies, we share best practices. So if one company comes up with something really great, we can apply it to another. And then locally, we are allowed the freedom to also be inventive and innovative.
They encourage us to do new things. They reward and incentivize people for bringing good ideas.
They know their jobs best. They are around their job every single day. So we basically rely on the input of the employees.
Everybody here has a voice.
Marquardt shows that they truly care about their employees by offering training to help those personnel reach their personal and professional goals, whether that be advancing in leadership or advancing in their technical knowledge.
Whatever position, whatever role that you've started in, there is a path for you.
A lot of the people that we've worked through the apprentice program are still here 15, 20 years later, working their way through the ranks. And I think that's, it's kind of the lifeblood of our company, I believe.
I started out on the production floor. Job opening came up in the warehouse, and I took it. I was promoted to warehouse shipping lead, and then just recently I was promoted to warehouse shipping supervisor. It's not just a job, I've actually found my career here.
Anybody that is looking to grow and make their future bright, Marquardt is definitely the right place, but you just have to have the right mindset.
This is the place to be if you want to grow and excel in your life, both personal and professional.
Marquardt will notice if you're a producer. Ask questions, be engaged in your job, and keep your eye on the board. Look for technical opportunities and learn those skills, and Marquardt will help you grow.
We are Marquardt.
We are the future.
We are Marquardt.
We're not afraid to switch things up.
We're a family.
Worldwide.
Leaders in technology.
We are the experts.
We are creative problem solvers and inventors.
We are Marquardt.
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 We put the future at your fingertips.
Thank you to this week's Gold Manufacturing sponsor, United Radio. If you are looking for a diverse, stable, safe, fun, and dynamic workplace, check out career opportunities at their website at unitedradio.com. There are several openings in their East Syracuse location, and many only require a high school diploma. Huhtamaki is a global producer of sustainable packaging solutions. Their plant in Fulton currently has openings for a product worker, maintenance mechanic, and several openings for industrial electrical technician interns. Marquardt Switches Incorporated offers opportunities across all areas for experienced and entry-level professionals and skilled workers. They offer seasonal, long-term, and paid co-ops and internships within various departments and disciplines.
Once again, thank you and have a great Manufacturing Careers Day and Manufacturing Month.
Thank you to PPC, a silver sponsor of Manufacturing Month. PPC is a global team of exceptional people committed to designing, delivering, and supporting best-in-class technology solutions in a fast-paced, results-oriented, and growing company. If you are creative, smart, analytical, and obsessed with working together to deliver high-quality solutions and services to customers across the globe, check out their job openings. Thank you to AT&T, a bronze sponsor of Manufacturing Month. AT&T continually sponsors PEB and MACNY programs and demonstrates their commitment to the local community. Thanks to bronze sponsor SRC. SRC Syracuse has openings for electrical engineers, co-ops, internships for spring and summer 2022, and entry-level computer engineer, software engineer interns, and integration and test engineers. Visit srcinc.com/careers and engineer new possibilities. Thanks to our third bronze sponsor, Syracuse Label and Surround Printing. They design, print, and manufacture and utilize cutting-edge print technology, have an in-house art department. Check out their job openings at www.syrlsp.com. A big thank you to AmeriQ, a program sponsor. AmeriQ is invested in education and offers 10 $1,000 scholarships annually to primary members who are high school or continuing college students. Visit ameriq.org/in-our-community/scholarships. Thank you to Bomer, a program sponsor. You can join their growing team in Auburn in custom thermoforming, rotational molding, plastic and metal fabrication, or in their sheet metal or value-add service departments. Cathedral Candle is a long-term PEB MACNY supporter. This local company has employed local people since 1897 and has career opportunities for machine operators, shipping and receiving personnel, warehouse and maintenance positions, and maintenance technicians. We thank them for their continuing sponsorship and commitment to the community.